Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fish catching game in Scratch using an easy method. First, open Scratch and select a fun underwater backdrop. Next, add two sprites, one for your player, perhaps a fishing net, and another for the fish. Make sure your player sprite is positioned near the bottom of the screen, ready to catch. We'll then set up basic movement for your player using arrow keys. This initial setup is crucial for building a solid foundation for your game. Now, let's bring our fish to life. Program the fish sprite to appear at random positions on the right side of the screen and glide towards the left. When your player sprite touches a fish, make that fish disappear, simulating a catch. To keep the game engaging, use clones so new fish continuously appear. This creates a dynamic environment where players must react quickly to catch the moving targets. It's time to add scoring and game logic. Create a variable called score and increase it by 1 point each time a fish is caught. You can also introduce a timer variable to set a game duration, for example, 30 seconds. When the timer runs out, the game should end, and the final score should be displayed prominently. This adds a challenge and a clear objective for players to achieve. To make your game even better, consider adding sound effects for catching fish and when the game ends. You could also introduce different types of fish, some worth more points than others, to add strategic depth. Experiment with background music and visual effects to enhance the player experience. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including a fantastic sock brand with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources for your Scratch projects. Keep creating and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.